The durability of sintered mesh filter is excellent mainly due to its unique manufacturing process and material selection. The following is a detailed analysis of the durability of sintered mesh filters, manufacturing process and structure. Sintered mesh filter cartridges are usually made of multiple layers of stainless steel wire mesh that have been specially laminated and pressed and then vacuum sintered. This manufacturing process ensures that the various layers of the filter element are tightly integrated, forming a uniform and ideal filtering structure. At the same time, the mesh holes of the filter element are interlocked, further enhancing its filtering effect and durability. Material characteristics. The sintered mesh filter element is made of stainless steel material which has excellent corrosion resistance and high temperature resistance. Stainless steel can resist the erosion of various corrosive media, thereby extending the service life of the filter element. In addition, the sintered mesh filter can maintain stable filtering performance in high temperature environments and will not undergo performance changes or damage due to temperature changes. Filtration performance and cleaning ability. The sintered mesh filter element has high precision filtration performance and can effectively remove small particles and impurities in the fluid. At the same time, its surface filtration structure makes the cleaning process simple and convenient, and it is not easy to damage the filter element itself. This easy-to-clean feature reduces maintenance costs and also extends the lifespan of the filter element. Service life. The service life of sintered mesh filter depends on various factors including usage, environment properties of filter media, working pressure and temperature, etc. In general industrial filtration scenarios such as ordinary lubricating oil filtration, compressed air filtration, etc., the service life of sintered mesh filters can usually reach 1 to 2 years. If maintained properly, regular maintenance measures such as backwashing may prolong the service life. However, in harsh industrial environments such as mining and metallurgy, where dust content is high and impurity particles are large and sharp, filter cartridges may have a shortened service life due to wear, corrosion and other reasons.